tutorial is a very short tutorial, guys. It's for this particular dance in total. This 1, 2, 3, 4. It's an Amapiano dance, guys. It's a new Amapiano dance trending now. So you guys need to learn this tutorial. Now, if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, share to your friends, and comment down below if you want me to do more dance tutorial for you guys. Now, this is a simple dance tutorial, guys. It's a simple dance tutorial. It's training for this particular song. So, in case you don't know this, where this dance applies to, this is the dance. So that's the dance, guys. Now, the first step to this dance is 1, 2, 3, 4. Training Amapiano dance, guys. Don't forget it's trending, so you have to learn it. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. You drop your leg. Follow me, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop your leg. That's it, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop your leg. Let's go. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe you drop your leg, throw this your left, your right shoulders forward with your hands. So it's 1, 2. Follow me, guys. So once you do 1, 2, 3, 4, drop your leg, throw your right shoulders forward, throw it forward, and you your right leg is following it. So it's 1, 2, 3. That's it, guys. Let's do it together from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, for you to be familiar with this dance, for you to master this dance, you have to do it continuously. Just do it repeatedly, guys. Just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's do it together, guys. Follow me, guys. We're going to be doing this 10 times. Let's go. From the end of your screen, let's move with me. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do it again one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it, guys. So just rewatch this part of the video again in case you're finding that difficult. Just in case you're finding it difficult, just make it slow enough for you. You'll be able to get this dance. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe down below. Like this video for me, guys. Let's do more of this dance. So once you're able to get that dance, the next thing to do is to jump and you forward, backward, forward, backward. Have your left leg, right leg forward, right leg back. So it's forward, backward, forward, backward. Let's go from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. These are just so sweet, guys. Okay. You see, guys, once you have learned how to do such perform a particular dance, you can remix it at any short of your likings. You can do it anyhow you like. You can flow with the dance, guys. You can flow with the dance. As you can see, I've gotten that for you, I can do it anytime. So once you have known the dance, you're able to finesse with the dance at any part of you. You can just go like this, go like this, go like this. So That is dance tutorial, guys. In case I've still finding that difficult, drop it in the comment section for me, guys. Drop it in the comment section for me. And I want to simplify it for you guys. I'll break it down for you guys in case you're still finding it difficult. Remember, comment down below. Don't forget to watch 2 videos over here. Sorry, 4 videos over here. And I'll see you guys in my next video.